Righty ho, folks. Mr. Wonderful here. Okay, this is a bit different. I don't think I've done one of these before. This is Ukrainian. That church there looks very similar to the one in Helsinki. Very similar. The one in Senate Square in Helsinki, right near the market. But I'm not too sure what it's made of. It's not that heavy. Hopefully it's not aluminium, but I'm sure we'll find out within a minute or two. It's not magnetic, so we shall see. One of them and one of them. And we'll go over. It's a big Bertha. Everybody's feeling fine today and dandy. Okay, let's level it up, shall we, for a change? Right, here's Big Bertha. Still doing the job, still doing the business. Well, it went through pretty easily. Let's have a butcher's. Right. We just want to clean it up a bit with Christy Burr. I think it's aluminium, but it seems a bit heavier than aluminium. But we shall soon find out. It'll probably melt though, in my luck. Let's not give it too much of the old hoochie coochie. I think if that was aluminium, it would have melted. So we might be lucky. Right, let's dry it off. And we'll go over to our little friend. So what side are we going to have face up on the ring? I think it's going to be this side, don't you? But maybe this side. Or this side. Oh, I don't know what to do. Yeah, okay, we'll go with this side. I bought a roll of them. Someone did send me some Ukrainian coins, but that was bloody aluminium, and I haven't opened this. I just opened it, and I thought, well, they don't look as if they're aluminium. No, they're not. That's a result. Right. Let's find. What else we got? Right, I'm going to have to go on this one first. Right, let's nip over. It's big red again. Plus, if that aluminium, this is where they split as well. I think I'll give it a bit more love. It seems quite hard. If this works, this is the first one of these I've done. I've had this roll of Ukrainian coins for months and months and months, but I thought they was all aluminium. And these aren't aluminium, that's for sure. That would have definitely melted by now. Yeah, happy days. A new coin. Right, back in this one again. Back over to Big Red. Yeah, he might be in luck. Oh, I'm chuffed about that. Is that not aluminium? I say aluminium, you say aluminum, aluminum, aluminium, aluminium, aluminium. Hoopy doopy doo. It's aluminium, you boys out in the States. And football is football, not bloody soccer, okay? Football's football. It's always been football. Right. Let's warm it up again, because it's quite a tough metal, this. I'll have to find out what it's made of. I think there might be a tiny bit of rebar in there somewhere. That's nice and hot. Hotter than a hot thing. Right, a fresh piece of kitchen roll. We have a fresh coin. Everything's fresh today. Right, let's go over to the one and only Mr. Spike. It's my favourite tool. It's a ring stretcher. Yep, you guessed it. It stretches your ring. Right. The kitchen roll just protects the inside of the coin. I don't know how far I can push this because I've never done one before. But it's getting work hard again already. So, yeah, you guessed it. Let's break out Bernie again. Now, a nice colour, it's a goldy colour, like a very bright goldy colour. Hopefully we can keep it. Right. Let's dry it off again. Yeah, that's good. Don't be afraid to anneal your coins as many times as necessary. As soon as it starts getting work hardened, do it again. Because that's one of the things you don't do enough of when you start doing this game. Oh, it ring split. I wonder why. There you go, there's no bow in that now. But, yes. I've got to do it again. Right. Yeah, I thought those were aluminium. I've had them for bloody months, these things. Right. Now we'll go over to the bottom end of the spike, and these are reduction dice. You just want to find one. There it. I think there's a little bit there, not much though. There's a bit. Well, I think according to the camera lens it needs a bit more, but according to my eye the walls are perfectly straight. It's so deceiving. Maybe the way I hold it, maybe, I don't know. Right, result. Is there a lip inside? Yes, there is. Just want to cut that lip out, otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear. See that little lip all the way around? Get it out. This will be in my shop within a few days. Whenever my girlfriend decides to put this online and do the photographs. We bought a little box thing off Amazon. It's like a little square box, probably, I don't know, 30 centimetres by 30 metres square, with a round hole in the top and this little light set in it, little LED white lights. There's a little turntable as well that goes round. Great for photographs. Really good. So if you're looking for something to show off your little projects and take decent photographs, let me know and I'll send you a link. Right, that's good, but that looks a bit rough. So what I will do is I will take out Felton John. I will put in my slightly more abrasive Kates, and we'll just go around the edge. Right, here she is. I think she was on the lash last night. The state of her. I think Kate's got some oil on her or something. She's not doing a very good job lately. I did get some more Kate, so I will change her for the next. But we could now put in Felton John again. A bit of polish. Let's get some more of this. I'm nearly out of it. Oh, there's bloody holes everywhere. Right. The professional at work. Hey, I am what I am. Right. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. That's a little bit hot. So I'd like to thank you all for subscribing, hitting the like button. If you haven't subscribed, there's a little button about there, a little red one. If you hit that, you're automatically subscribed and stuff happens, you know. They let you know when Things are happening. Right, let's give it a bit of a wipe over. Clean the old mingers off first. How's it looking? Ooh. Let's get a slightly cleaner cloth. I do clear coat my rings as well after I've made them. I don't clear coat them until somebody's bought one, because I might have to adjust the size. So once I've adjusted the size to suit you, I then clear coat the ring. Look at that. This time, that's a bit better. But my hands are still covered in crap, so my girlfriend goes through these and yeah, there you go, folks. You still got the detail on the inside. What size did we get in the end? I will attempt to clean this up better because I'm still not happy with the inside, but otherwise the video go on for hours and hours. 10 and 3/4. Thanks all for watching. It fits this ring, man. Jesus, I'm sure it's an age thing. Fits this finger perfectly. Thank you all for your love and, you know, lovely comments. Thanks for hitting the like button. Thanks for being you. And God willing, I'll see you all tomorrow. So bye bye.